1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello again. In this lesson we're going to look at how to play Schoolyard Days by Amble. And this song was chosen as the RTE Choice Song of the Year for 2025. It was released back in 2025 as being a huge hit for the band. I have the capo here on fret 2, and that allows us to play the song in the key that Amble plays in. And there's only 3 chords, which is the good news. And those chords are F major 7. Now we've come across this a lot with Amble and other bands, but Amble in particular, and also Kingfisher. Instead of playing the F major chord, we play the F major 7, which simply means we don't have to fret bar these 2 strings, strings 1 and 2. We're leaving the first string ring out. So that's F major 7. Then we've got A minor, and finally G major. And those are 3 chords from the C major scale. And those 3 chords are played in the sequence of F major 7, A minor, G. Back to F major 7, A minor, G. And that sequence is repeated right throughout the song. So let's look at the strum pattern for the song. This strum pattern is very unusual and is key to playing the song properly. It's a difficult rhythm to teach in terms of counting it in. The song is in 4/4 time, but a lot of the emphasis is on offbeats, and it is easier, I think, to learn the rhythm through repetition. So this is the rhythm I'm using. And so on. So on this F major chord shape I'm playing the following. Down, up, down, down. That's the start of it. Down, up, down, down. Followed by up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So the next chord then is the A minor chord. We just got 3 strums. Down, up, down, and then the G to finish it off. So So that A minor G has the same strum pattern as the strum pattern for the F major 7 chord. So the F major 7 was down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And these two chords then have down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's confusing, I know, but you need to get that in on your ear. So just get the rhythm, practice along. It's down, up, down, down. Up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's repeated right through. So the first time you play that pattern, you would play it for the F major 7 chord. That's the very same strum pattern then for the next two chords. The first 3 strums are for the A minor, and then it's finished off with the G chord, but it's the same pattern. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, well, so apply that to the chords then. The full pattern for the F major 7 chord. And then the full pattern for the next two chords, A minor for 3 strums and then G. Put all that together. Again. F, A minor, G. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's how I play the song Schoolyard Days. And that's probably what most of you will be looking to learn, how to strum along to the song. You will have heard in the earlier audio that I played at the start, I played a couple of melody lines for anybody who might be interested in taking it a little bit further. And one is the intro, which is played over that chord sequence. So the other melody line is played during the song, and it's also played over the same chord sequence. Now if you're interested in playing those melody lines as I play them, I've included the tabs in the resource section, and also slow practice audio files. So good luck with your practice, and don't forget you can leave a comment if you wish, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the lesson, if you get something from it. For hundreds of other songs popular in Ireland, have a look at my website, getcrackingguitar.com.